na dapat siya yung maging presidente eh. Kasi
Gupagwapa.
nagwawala siya online. Tapos, you know, when you hear her talk, she doesn't make sense.
Bago pagwapa! Bilatsing ilay! She doesn't make sense si Sarah! Yan di puta dumapatay man po, Lovely! Lovely! Grabe, strict na si Lovely! Gali, bilatsing ilay! Ha? She doesn't make sense! Sabi sa bilatsing iloy nga anak ni Babalo! Kag ni Redford, why grabe strict na si Lovely! Lovely! Saan ka ba nag-graduate, Lovely? Ilan ba ang puno nga ano mo? Grado mo, Lovely. Bilatsing iloy cum laude. Pina ang grade mo. Saan ka nag-aral, bilatsing iloy? Sa Harry Potter? Di ba? She doesn't make sense, sabi sa bilatsing iloy. Ang punggod mo, kahit lagyan mong bilatsing iloy sang sibo, di macho. Kahit maglagay ka pa sang pinta nga sapat ka, hindi magbago pagkikipitos mo. Ang bisiyosang bilatsing saan ka nag-graduate? UP Diliman, straight one, maxima cum laude, was assigned to do astrophysics in Bilatsing Iloy, Pentagon and NASA. She was sent to Argentina and Brazil to be a fucking diplomat and attaché for the fucking government. Lovely Babalu Pitos is the representative of the Philippines to the United Nations. Ay, si grabe si Lovely. Lovely, stricta si Lovely. Ay, grabe. Kailangan, guys, ang mga anak niyo, guys, paaralin niyo talaga sa katas-kaasang paaralan ng Harvard University. Kasi underestimate ni Lovely. Si Lovely kasi bilatsing iloy. Doon sa nag-aral sa paraiso ni Adam and Eve. Alam ni Lovely where the snow is kept. She memorized the astrophysics of the galaxy. She knows the heavenly bodies in the Milky Way. She discovered penicillin. She was the one who invented Facebook. She created Google.com. She is one of those people during the Sicaw in Balintawak who signed the Constitution of the Philippines, because as of Sara Duterte being the Vice President of the Philippines, Lovely the Babalo and the Punggudon Lovely the Bilatsing Iloy, ang iho di puta nga pito, she is not contented, apparently, of the achievements and the accolades of our Vice President. So I must think that this woman graduated with flying colors. And not only in fucking local schools in the Philippines. Maybe she went to Montessori. Or maybe she was in a Brent school. Is she a daughter of a Sheikah? Is she one of the lineage of Queen Elizabeth, maybe? Or maybe she was in Eton. Bilatsing iloy si Lovely ka strict tayo di puta. Ang kailangan sa atin, guys, i-memorize yung ang table of elements. Memorize the table of the elements and memorize the Milky Way, and you should memorize the calculations of how the cumulus cloud and the precipitation and condensation of the earth before we could actually get rainfall. You should memorize how the Amazon River could protect the world. You should even memorize what is the importance of the Strait of Hormuz. You should also memorize gestational diabetes. And also, you should memorize about how amoxicillin was created. Because Lovely is a very strict fetus. Strict si Lovely, guys. Oh my God. The nerve of the Babalo to question the educational attainment of a vice president, and not only vice president, a person who was a mayor, a woman who took up 2 degrees before becoming vice president of our country. And this fucking nobody who does not even know how to really put up an argument and does not even know how to support her arguments. Na bakit ayaw mo si Sarah? She doesn't make sense. She doesn't make sense. In what way? Bakit? You didn't understand you did not understand the languages she was using? Was she speaking in Mandarin? Was she using French? Bilatsing Iloy, sa akin ka palang magdebating yung di puta ka. Iiyak ka na sa akin dugo. Masuka ka sa akin dugo, day. Bilatsing Iloy, ano ba kinano kurso mo? Ha? Imbis nga gaamulan ng mata mo, gaamo ka. Kung ako ang magdebate sa'yo, gaganon ka na. Ay, Diyos ko.